Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to move a card list on Trello. If you guys don't already know, the process is really simple, but most of you guys don't know because none of you or none of any people have taught you or anyone. So I'm going to teach you right now how to move a card list on Trello. So at first you must go into the board that you have created. I'm going into a board from Login Giants. You go inside the board and you click on any card that you want to move. So you click on this three dot icon, you click here, and at the third you'll see move list. So you click on that and it will be moved by the position that you want. If you want a 3, you click on move and it has gone to 3, and if you want to bring that back to 1 or 2, you click here and move. So this is how you move a card or list on Trello. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.